Place the towel warmer on a hard, dry, and level surface. Open the lid. Place a dry towel or blanket inside. Close the lid. Press the power button to turn on the unit. If no operation is performed within 5 seconds, the unit will automatically enter the working state. The default setting is high temperature mode with a duration of 30 minutes. After turning on, press the reservation button within 5 seconds to set the delayed start time. The delay time can be set from 30 minutes to 24 hours, with each press increasing the time by 30 minutes. After setting the reservation time, press the timer button within 5 seconds to set the working time. You can switch the working time between 30, 60, and 90 minutes. After setting the working time, press the power button to select the temperature mode. You can choose between low, medium, and high temperature settings. If no operation is performed within 5 seconds, the unit will start operating according to the current settings. The unit will automatically turn off when the set time ends. You can press the on-off button at any time to stop or restart the heating cycle. When heating is complete, open the lid and remove the towel or blanket. Note: the inner surface will remain hot for up to 30 minutes. Allow it to cool before touching.